Hello guys, you're welcome once again to iTech and thank you for choosing this video. If today is your first time watching my video, you're welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you'll be able to convert or calculate your IELTS results to or you convert into the Canada language benchmark, that is CLB. So without much I waste your time, let's go to your browser. Just go to your browser. Okay, just search for CLB calculator. Then when it opens, just scroll a little till you see abroad key, and then you click on that, and it will take you to the main menu. Now, if you check here, you have here to the abroad key, and then you have CLB score calculator. So what are you going to do? Now we have reading, we have listening, we have writing, and then we have speaking here, and they have indicated here CLB score calculator. So you are going to calculate your score into the Canada language benchmark. So let's say reading, you enter the score that you had on reading. Let's say you had 5. Listening, let's say you had 5. Writing, let's say you had 4. Speaking, let's say you had 5. And you hit on calculate. But as you can see here, your overall score as converted is 4. So the moment you get 4, it means that you're good to join the Caregiver Pilot Program. So this is how you can convert your IELTS results to the Canada language benchmark. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye-bye.